Hi, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe for more recipes. Thank you. Today's snack is boiled peanuts or boiled groundnuts. And for this, we will need raw peanuts. The first thing to do is get a clean bowl for sorting because we will be separating the bad peanuts from the good peanuts. It is common to find peanuts that is already growing just like this, or find stones, dirt, or peanut that has been eaten by insects. And this is why it is very important to sort first. So after sorting, the next thing we will do is to wash our peanuts properly. And for this, we will need a clean bowl of water. I prefer to use a clean bowl of water. I'll tell you why I prefer so. So I'm pouring the peanuts already into the water and I'll wash gently with my hands. So I prefer to use a bowl of water rather than running water because I would be able to see if the water is clean enough for the peanuts to be cooked. Unlike when I'm using running water and the water is just running, I can't really see how clean the water is. Peanuts are usually this dirty because they are uprooted from the ground. So to be on the safe side, it is necessary to wash as many times as possible. In this case, I washed these peanuts 4 times. Take a look at how dirty this water is. This is a no-no. Okay, this is the 4th time I'm washing the peanuts, although I took out the 2nd and 3rd time because I didn't want to bore you with unnecessary details. But this is the 4th time I'm washing the peanuts, and I will take out the peanuts. You will see how it is. Our peanut is finally clean and it is time to cook. For cooking, I'll pour the peanut into a pot and add 2 tablespoons salt. Yes, that is a lot, I know, but it's fine. Of course, I would add a lot of water after doing that, and I'll cook it for about 45 to 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, let's check. This is what it looks like, and I'll be tasting my peanuts by removing it with a spoon and putting it into clean water. The work or the job of the clean water is to cool down the peanuts because there's no use hurting myself because I want to taste peanuts that I will enjoy. Now I'm going to do it the 2nd time just to be sure that it is properly cooked all round. And of course, I like what I'm tasting because the peanuts, they are properly cooked. Ooh, peanut is ready, and I will drain the hot water by pouring it into a basket. You can pour it directly into your sink in your kitchen, but I like to do this because it's easier for me. I'll simply pour it, remove the basket, and separate the peanuts from the hot water. So now I'm draining the hot water and I'll pour the hot water away, of course. But because I want to eat these peanuts immediately, this is what I'm going to do. Here is my clean water and I'll pour my hot peanuts into my clean water. Yes, this water is room temperature water, and what it does is it will immediately cool down the peanuts. You can see I'm already touching my peanuts already because the water has cooled down the temperature of the hot peanuts. Well, of course, the next thing to do is remove the peanuts. These are the delicious yummy in the pot. Thank you so much for watching.